Sending money to Canada from USA is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can send money to Canada from USA. So in order to do that, there is an application or a website called as Remitly, which allows you to transfer money across the borders. So how can you do that? So for that, as you guys can see, we will go to the remitly.com. Here you have to log in. So after that, so I'm just gonna, I've already logged in. I don't know why it is not showing me that. So I'm just gonna search for remitly.com, and it will take me to the Remitly homepage. There, after logging in, this is what you will see. Here you have to select your country. So here you have to select United States. So you just have to look for United States, and it will reload and change your location as United States. And there you have to select where are you sending the money. So you are sending to Canada. Here you have to look for Canada right here. So this is the B, as you guys can see, this is the C and Canada. So you just have to, start putting the amount of money that you want to transfer. It will want you to connect the, bank accounts as well, and you will easily be able to transfer money afterwards. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.